Hi there technology user. Thank you for purchasing motion sensor. Here is how you can install the device. First, let's make sure that you have everything you need to successfully complete the installation. Open the light panel you want to connect with the motion sensor. Identify the wiring inside the light panel. Connect your device, motion sensor. Test the device to ensure that the setup is done correctly. Step 1. Get ready to install. Collect all the tools required for the installation. For this, you will need a screwdriver, tester and pliers. Now identify the light you want to connect with the motion sensor. Also, make sure that you have a neutral wire inside the panel. A neutral connection is mandatory for the motion sensor. In the absence of the neutral wire, please draw a neutral wire from the nearest point, otherwise, the installation cannot be completed. Installation requires handling high voltage wiring. Follow the instructions carefully to avoid any injury. If it makes you uncomfortable, reach out to a qualified electrician to help you out. To start off with, go to your MCB panel, identify the circuit breaker connected to the identified light and turn them off. If your breakers aren't labeled, turn off the main supply. Now let's get to step 2. Open the light panel. Now that your power is off, now you can safely open the light panel using a screwdriver. Alright. Now that the light panel is open, let's get to step 3, identifying all the wires in it. Phase wire is usually red in color. The neutral wire is the black wire, it is almost always black in color. Now let's get to step 4, connecting the device. On the device, you can see the positions marked as L1, N and L. L1 refers to the load wire point, wire present in the color red. N refers to the neutral wire point, wire present in color blue. L refers to phase wire point, wire present in color brown. Open the motion sensor wall plate and run the wires through the plate or connect it directly to the motion sensor. Draw a neutral wire from the switch and a neutral wire from the LED light and connect both the cables at the point N. Now draw the load wire from the LED light and connect it to the slot marked as L1. Take the phase wire from the switch and connect it to the slot marked as L. Adjust the time for the lights to run along with the lux motion sensitivity before closing the motion sensor. Once you are done connecting all the wires, carefully fix the wall plate at the desired area with a screwdriver and close the sensor with the wires connected to it. Please note that electric fluctuations inside the MCB panel or the switchboard may at times hinder optimal device performance. Great, we are almost done. Let's finish off the installation by testing the motion sensor. Switch on power. It takes 10 to 30 seconds for the motion sensor to respond for the first time. Once the lights turn on, it will keep running as long as motion is detected. Once you leave the room, the sensor will turn off the light according to the time set. And there you go. You are done with the installation of the motion sensor.